Thank you for your interest in BLOX 2.0. As you know, we'll be making BLOX 2 available to the public on May the 11th at 11 AM US Eastern Time. But before we do that, we'd like to invite you to join us for a 30-minute pre-launch presentation so we can take you through BLOX. We can show you what BLOX is, how it works, and what you as a customer will receive access to. We also have a couple of extras which we're going to share with all attendees. For example, we'll tell you about the additional BLOX system that we'll be giving away to all BLOX customers. Now, this is an additional BLOX system which we created for complete beginners. Now, it's called the Free Instruction System, and during the presentation we'll explain why nearly everybody will want to use this system from the moment they start using BLOX. We'll show you over $1,000 in verified proof. So this is another one of those systems which we've tested ourselves, used ourselves, and made money from. And we'll explain why the only skills you need are the ability to copy and paste and give something away for free. That's all anybody has to do with this particular system. And like I mentioned, this is something that all BLOX customers can use, and it's something that all BLOX customers will receive depending on when they purchase BLOX. We'll also show you the same BLOX ready-made systems which we use and which we have done to make thousands of dollars in verified income, and which you can use too. You can use these systems in minutes. And we'll share our attendee only BLOX discount. Now, this discount is only available to those of you who watch the pre-launch presentation. So if you do join us, you're going to pay less for BLOX. So this pre-launch presentation will start at 10:30 AM US Eastern Time on May the 11th, which is exactly 30 minutes before BLOX opens for sale. So if you are interested in BLOX and you would like to join us, click the button underneath this video, click the button and then register. Then once you do that, we'll send you an email with your link and access details, and then closer to the actual presentation, we'll send you a couple of reminder emails. And that's it. All you need to do is click the button underneath this video, register for the presentation. We'll send you access details, and then if you turn up and if you watch the presentation on May the 11th, we'll take you through all of the features I've just mentioned, plus we'll give you the discount code.